Rashes. Introduction. Are non-infectious rashes contagious? Select yes or no. Correct. Non-infectious rashes are not contagious. They are rashes that are caused by lifestyle or genetic factors. They may be caused by a medical condition or substances you come into contact with. Sarah has had an itchy, red rash on her body for a week. She also has a fever and is dizzy. Should Sarah contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Itchiness, red skin, a fever, and dizziness may be signs of a problem. Sarah should contact her healthcare provider right away. Skin rashes can have many different causes. Select true or false. Correct. Infectious rashes may be caused by different types of germs. Non-infectious rashes may have many different causes, such as autoimmune conditions or contact with certain substances. Most rashes can be treated at home with skin care. Select true or false. Correct. Most rashes can be treated at home, but some conditions may require treatment by a healthcare provider. Contact your healthcare provider if your rash doesn't respond to treatment at home and lasts for more than a few days. Thank you for using Explain.